YouTube. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how I touch up my braids. And I've had things to do and little events, so I've touched up like most of the ones in the front over the last week. But I'm gonna show y'all how I did these two and how I put my string back in. It's already starting to curl up. And I fixed my big parts I had on my second row. They look neater. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I touch up my box braids.
The first thing I do is separate my box braids so that they're not in my face and I know what I'm working with. If there's any jewelry or string on that braid, I just take it out until I'm done. So just unbraid your braid and separate it out so it's like fresh to put back in. So then I just take out my rubber band because I do the rubber band method. And you see like this big clump of product that's built up. I just comb through my hair and comb it out. It's so nasty. So once it's detangled, I put my Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'll use any leave-in conditioner, and I used a little too much, so I put it everywhere and applied a new rubber band. Now that my part's all fresh and neat again, I will begin to like put my braid back in. But I feel like my braids aren't gonna look that fresh until like I have my edges done. Maybe that's just my opinion, but here I am just braiding my hair down, and once I get to the ends, when I get too small of a piece, I'll take a piece from a longer section and just continue braiding as normally so that it's all even. With Kaneka hair, you're bound to have shed pieces. So that's what my braid was looking like. Now I'm doing the gray one, and with string, I just used my teeth to get the tie out. And I untied it and took it out, and then I just took my braid out and did the same exact process. I'm not gonna talk during this one because I already showed you guys, but yeah, this is just the dirty part of my hair. Again, don't judge me. It happens to everybody. Listen, I don't know what song was on when I was recording this, but I was jamming, so just a heads up as to why I'm dancing and singing. Make sure you detangle the braiding hair while you braid down because it tends to get all caught within the sections or whatever. And here I'm just doing the end slowly again so you guys can see how I keep it even. Now to put my string back in, I just place it at the top of the braid and I just basically crisscross like back and forth around my whole braid, and once I get to the bottom I just do a normal like shoestring tie, or just like a tie I guess, and I double knot it. That double knot is what I bit to get my string off because I cut off the excess pieces. And this is my hair when I'm finished. But I just redid the front and my perimeter, like inside pieces and all that. And I took all my chains out, these little things. Probably just gonna buy more for this whole like section right here. But yeah, I'm gonna do my edges and I'm gonna come back. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I showered or whatever. Yes, I have my Coca-Cola sweatshirt on again. But these are my final products.
Looks like I got fresh braids. Okay, but let me know what you guys want to see. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye, guys.